Hello guys, welcome back to our channel, and in this video, I'll be showing you how to make a welcome channel on Discord. So let's start. First, open your Discord application. Go to your server, and here you need to make a new channel by right-clicking this panel and click Create Channel. Choose Text Channel, and in this bubble, type the name of the channel. Since we are making a welcome channel, let's name it Welcome. Once done, click Create Channel. You need to drag the welcome channel to the top to make this as the default channel that the new users will see once they enter the server. Next, you need to change the permissions of this channel. Go to Settings by clicking this gear icon. Go to Permissions. Here, make sure that this is set to everyone. In this page, you need to enable View Channel, disable this Send Messages, and enable Read Message History. After that, click Save Changes and close Settings. Next, go to your browser and search me6.xyz. In this page, click Add to Discord. If you're not logged in your Discord browser, it will ask you to sign in into your Discord account. Once logged in, press Authorize. Here, click Set Up. In this prompt, make sure that you've selected the correct server where you want to make a welcome channel. After selecting, click Continue. Here, you can make some adjustments. Scroll down and click Authorize. Next, verify that you're not a bot. After all of that, you will be directed to the Mi6 dashboard. Go back to your Discord app and check if Mi6 has been successfully added to your server. If yes, return to Mi6 dashboard. In this page, select the Welcome plugin. In this prompt, click Yes to enable. Enable Send a message when user join the server. And here, select your welcome channel. In this bubble, you can enter your welcome message. Here, you can use the words such as user and server to tell the bot to source this info to Discord. You can also include hashtag to make a link directly to other channels. Scroll down and you will see other options that can be used to customize your welcome message. Once you're done customizing, click Save. After that, your welcome channel will now be working. So that's it for our video. If you wanted to know how to make a welcome channel on Discord, that is the easiest way I know how. I hope you find this video helpful, and if you do, kindly give us a like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much and see you on our next video.